Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. I hope you got your coffee with you because we're about to talk about some spoilers for the Ice Cream Beauty bag and box for the month of January 2023. Like, can you even believe I'm saying 2023? Like, wow. 2022 flew by. So, we're starting a new year and we're going to start off good with some good spoilers from the Ice Cream Beauty bag and box. So, if you're not familiar, the Ice Cream Beauty bag is $12.50 a month. You do pay for shipping and handling. You get 3 full-size items. And if you use code Michelle10, you're going to save 10% off of your first subscription. And the box is $25 a month. There's no extra for shipping. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box. And again, if you use code Michelle10, you're going to save a little bit of money. I don't make anything off of it. It's just to save you a little bit. So if you like these spoilers, please make sure that you're giving me a thumbs up. It really helps push my videos for more people to get to see the actual spoiler videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I am trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers. The second I make it to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing another giveaway. I already got some stuff over here set off to the side for my giveaway. I'm so excited. We're so close. So I really have to say thank you so much to everybody that is subscribed, to everybody that watches my videos. I truly appreciate you watching me. I am still like, I cannot believe that I'm about to hit 1,000 subscribers. I actually just hit my like 4,000 watch hours. So I'm like so close, girl, to being monetized. And it's like, holy crap, I cannot even believe that. But yeah, I just want to say thank you really quick. And also, don't forget to ring the notification bell because I am random over here, girl. I upload twice a week, but it's on different days. So if you ring the notification bell, it'll let you know when I upload because I'm not consistent with the schedule like I should be. I know I should be, but I have a hard time with schedules, girl. I'm always late. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the spoilers for the bag. OMG, I cannot wait to show you these spoilers. They're so good. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty bag is going to be an Oakland palette. And this is a 16 pan palette. It's very neutral. It's got a lot of nudes, tans, browns. It does have like some darker, it's a darker like blue, red, green, black in there. So I do love this. If you're not into a lot of color, I think this palette is going to be really nice. And Oakland does have good quality palettes. I do have quite a few of their palettes over here and I do love them. Okay, so for spoiler number 2 for the Ice Cream Beauty bag is going to be a product from Beauty Creations. And this is a highlighter palette. So, okay, they do look very bright and like intimidating, but the colors appear much more subtle on the skin. So they're not going to be like crazy colors for a highlighter. It's going to be a lot more subtle. So I'm excited for that. Like, love highlighters always. Okay, and for the third and final spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty bag. Girl, this one. This is the one. This is the palette. Okay, so this is a palette from Magic Castle. And this is a water-activated, multi-purpose duochrome palette. Like, hello, hello, hello. I cannot believe this. So I'm assuming you just add a little bit of water. So you can use it as an eyeshadow topper. You can use it as an eyeliner. You can use it as a highlighter. Like, there's going to be so many different things that you can use this palette for. And I'm just like, gorgeous, gorgeous. Like, duochrome, pastel-y, beautiful. Oh my God, that is a gorgeous palette. Like, wow. That one really for me out of the bag is it. Like, honestly, I am not signed up for the bag, but that palette right there is making me like, girl, just sign up, just sign up. And I'm like, stop, you don't need to sign up. Like, I already get a couple subscriptions. There's no reason for me to, you know, get any more. But I'm like, I want that palette. Oh, that palette looks good. I bet you that's going to be a gorgeous eyeliner. Oh, I'm so debating. I'm trying not to. I'm going to try not to, but I really want that palette because that palette is it out of the bag for me for sure. Okay, now I got the spoilers for the Ice Cream Beauty box. And of course, we're going to start with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. And this is going to be an item from Muse Beauty. And this is the Rococo palette. It's got some tans, browns, golds, pinks, coral colors. I absolutely love it. Yeah, I can't wait to get this palette. The coral colors in there, I love coral colors. Like I already got a look going on in my mind that I'm gonna create with that palette. It actually reminds me of a pure palette that we got from BoxyCharm, and it's a pure and BoxyCharm collab palette. Like so many years ago, long time ago, when I used to be subscribed to BoxyCharm. I don't know, BoxyCharm just don't do it for me no more. They ain't it. This box is it. I love this box. Okay, anyways, moving on. Spoiler number 2 for the Ice Cream Beauty Box is going to be an item from Mirabella. Now this is a champagne eye crayon, so you can use this as just an eyeshadow itself, or you can use this as an eyeshadow base. I will probably use it as a base. I'm not too much into using like eyeshadow sticks. I tend to have a problem with them creasing on me, and I don't know if that's because my eyes are so hooded or what, but if I just use a eye crayon by itself, it usually creases. So I usually have to set them with powders, but I love to have eye crayons as bases because you could use that instead of an eye primer and it works just as well. Okay, so for spoiler number 3 for the Ice Cream Beauty Box is going to be a product from Oakland. And this is going to be liquid eyeliners. And we're getting all 3 of them. We're getting all 3 eyeliners. Like, hello, you cannot beat that. I mean, you're already at 5 items and we still have 2 more spoilers to go. But we are going to get a gold, a purple, and a black. And actually, I was playing around because I actually just got like a blue one, a liquid blue eyeliner, and I was playing around and I used it today. And I actually really love it. So I am excited to get those eyeliners and play around with them a little bit. I feel like I need to like get out my comfort zone because I'm not really comfortable with like lining my eye with eyeliners. It's just not something that I've ever been really into. So I'm trying to like get out my comfort zone and use eyeliners a little bit. So I am excited that we're getting some liquid ones. And I love that we're getting a black because I feel like everybody loves a good black eyeliner. Now, 2 of them are shimmery, which I'm going to say is the gold and the purple, and then 1 is a matte. So I'm sure that's your black one, is going to be the matte one. So yay, good job Ice Cream so far. I'm like so happy for this box. This is like starting off the new year good. Okay, so for spoiler number 4 is going to be an item from the Beauty Crop. And this is going to be their Melon Dollar Gloss. How cute is that? I love that we're getting that. I'm sure it's going to probably smell like watermelon, which is so cute. I really like the Beauty Crop. I think their products are really good. I still use a bunch of their products that we've gotten in. I mean, I might have had like 1 or 2 products from them that I don't care for, but I'm really trying to think. I think everything, honestly, that I've gotten from the Beauty Crop, I really like. Except for, I take that back. There was this like 1 like 3-piece lip set that I really didn't care for. You know, the one that had like the little heart in the center. I mean, that one's okay, but it's not just something that I grab for. But man, their primers, like, I actually used this today, and we got this a few months back from the Beauty Crop, and this is an amazing product. It's their Cocoa Glow Drops. I love it as a primer. I have really dry skin, so that works out really nice as a primer for me, but yeah, I love their products. And just a little sad fact, we're not going to be getting Beauty Crop in our Ice Cream Beauty Boxes for a while. So this will be the last month that we are getting Beauty Crop in our box for a little bit. Hopefully not too long. Hopefully like Ice Cream and the Beauty Crop can come back together, because I honestly really do love Beauty Crop products. So hopefully they can work some things out and we can get some more products in the future from them. But for now, my husband's walking up. But for now, this is going to be the last month. I'm kind of sad because we do get some good stuff. So now that I told you that, our last and final product is going to be another product from the Beauty Crop, and this is going to be their Travel Tea Face Palette. Now this is a blush, highlighter, and bronzer palette. You also want to get 2 cream highlighters in here, which is amazing. This is a huge palette, and I love that we get palettes like this. Like, we're getting a face palette, we're getting an eyeshadow palette. I mean, we're getting 3 eyeliners, we're getting an eye crayon, and we're also getting a lip gloss. So in total, okay, the 3 eyeliners count as 1, but usually 1 eyeliner would count as 1. So we're getting 8 products in our box. 8. I mean, this month's box is stuffed. Ice Cream, you're doing a phenomenal job. Keep up the great work. I absolutely love your boxes. Honestly, I would not recommend them. I wouldn't keep getting on here and reviewing them or paying my $25 a month if I didn't love these boxes, but I truly do love these boxes. So I think I'm like, I want to pick the palette because I am excited for the palette out of the box. But I am also excited for the face palette, and I am kind of excited to try out the eyeliners too. So I'm really excited. Like, the least excited I would say would be the eye crayon, but honestly I still will use it. But I mean, for 25 bucks, all of these products, I'm like, yes, yes, yes. BoxyCharm, you need to take some lessons here. Really, you do. It's bad when like these small businesses like Ice Cream can like way outdo BoxyCharm. But as always, make sure you comment down in the comment section and let me know, what is your favorite product? What are you looking forward to? I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.